The 2025 Ford GT stands as a testament to cutting-edge engineering, precision design, and raw performance. A masterpiece of aerodynamics and advanced technology, it commands attention with its sculpted carbon fiber body, aggressive stance, and signature LED lighting. Every inch of this supercar is designed for speed, from its sleek contours to its powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering breathtaking acceleration and an exhilarating top speed. This is not just a car, it's an icon of performance, pushing the boundaries of what a modern supercar can achieve. Inside the luxurious showroom, the Ford GT takes center stage, illuminated by soft ambient lighting that accentuates its dynamic lines and impeccable craftsmanship. The polished floors reflect its striking form, while the name, 2025 Ford GT, glows prominently on the wall, a symbol of innovation and dominance. The showroom exudes an atmosphere of exclusivity, a place where engineering excellence meets refined elegance. Beneath its aerodynamic shell lies a technological marvel. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures unmatched agility and structural rigidity. The active aerodynamics system continuously adapts to optimize performance, adjusting the rear wing and airflow mechanisms for maximum efficiency. Strategically placed air intakes cool the high-performance engine, ensuring peak performance in even the most demanding conditions. The GT is not just about speed, it is about intelligent engineering, where every component is meticulously designed to enhance both power and control. Step inside the cockpit, and you enter a world of driver-focused luxury and race-inspired precision. The seats, crafted from premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber, provide the perfect balance of comfort and support, designed to keep the driver firmly in place during high-speed maneuvers. A fully digital instrument cluster delivers real-time performance data, adapting dynamically based on driving mode. The race-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel places critical controls at the driver's fingertips, ensuring maximum responsiveness and precision. Paddle shifters allow for lightning-fast gear changes, enhancing the exhilarating driving experience. The center console follows a minimalist yet functional design philosophy, with an intuitive layout that puts everything within easy reach. Advanced connectivity features seamlessly integrate with the infotainment system, allowing for an immersive driving experience without distractions. Every aspect of the Ford GT's interior is designed with one goal in mind: pure driving engagement. At the heart of this beast lies a high-performance twin-turbocharged V6 engine, engineered to deliver relentless power and torque. The advanced suspension system ensures razor-sharp handling, adapting to road conditions in real time. The carbon ceramic braking system provides exceptional stopping power, giving drivers absolute confidence at high speeds. Custom-developed tires enhance grip and stability, allowing the GT to maintain perfect traction in every driving scenario. Every mechanical component of this supercar is fine-tuned to perfection, resulting in an unparalleled fusion of speed, control, and precision. The Ford GT is more than a machine, it is a symbol of motorsport excellence. Its DNA is rooted in the legendary victories at Le Mans, carrying forward a legacy of dominance and innovation. This is a car built not just to perform but to inspire, a modern tribute to the relentless pursuit of speed. The sound of its exhaust is an unmistakable roar, a deep and aggressive note that echoes the power within. Every moment behind the wheel is an adrenaline rush, a seamless blend of power and technology that delivers an unmatched driving experience. As the soft glow of the showroom lights dances across the GT's aerodynamic curves, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary vehicle. The illuminated name, 2025 Ford GT, on the wall serves as a reminder that this is the future of high-performance engineering. This is a car that transcends expectations, an automotive masterpiece designed for those who crave the extraordinary. Owning a Ford GT is not just about having a supercar, it is about becoming part of an exclusive legacy. It represents a passion for performance, an appreciation for innovation, and a commitment to pushing the limits of what is possible. From the moment you press the start button to the instant you accelerate down the open road, the 2025 Ford GT delivers an experience like no other. This is not just the future of supercars, it is a statement of power, precision, and prestige.